guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashi Sopti, and what's new happening today? We can actually talk while doing makeup. So till date you've always heard me giving voiceovers or just music and putting deets in my description box below, but now you can actually see me talking while doing my makeup. This is going to be very helpful because I will be able to share so much more information with you while I do my makeup. Today what we're doing is glossy skin, how to achieve dewy skin, glossy skin. Now before we go ahead, you have to subscribe to my channel. Please do that, hit the bell icon, like this video in the end if you really like it, and share it with your friends. Find me on Instagram as well by Rashi Sopti Makeup. And now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Since we are doing the glossy dewy makeup today, it is very important that your skin is radiating within, and that cannot happen without a good moisturizer, guys. So अगर आपकी skin normal है, I would suggest you that you apply a good face oil or a good moisturizer at least 15 minutes prior. Let your skin absorb all that moisture. If your skin is already oily, do not use a face oil, but still please try skin papado. Still use some light moisturizer just to make the whole result and the application of your makeup very smooth. Trust me on that. So since I'm not stepping out anywhere after doing this makeup, I'm using the Forever 52 Elixir Primer, and the consistency is very normal, not too runny and not too thick either, and it's great for daily use. For all those who complain about an oily T-zone or having a lot of pores on their face, I would suggest, even if you're doing this glossy skin, dewy finish look, you can apply an oil controlling something like a Benefit Professional primer that's going to control the oil that is coming from within, and we're just going to stick to glow outside on the surface. So my skin has been behaving well. इतने महीने से हम लोग घर पे हैं, and it's not really got any excess pigmentation now. Rather, it's a little controlled because I have taken good care of it. I've had a lot of water, a good diet, and I've just changed a little bit of my skincare too. So the pigmentation is really in control now. Even around my mouth area and under my eyes, it's not too dark anymore. So of lately I've realized that I don't need to use an orange corrector, but if you still feel that your areas do grey out after applying makeup, then you must use an orange corrector. For concealing today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and this is the product that I swear by. इसके बिना मैं makeup शुरू नहीं कर सकती, and this is my go-to, like today, forever, I think, permanent solution for concealing and for hiding my blemishes or my dark circles or any kind of darkness that I have on my skin. I'm gonna just dab it in, guys, very gently with my beauty sponge, and make sure it is damp, it is not wet. So this look is all about glossy and dewy finish, and we want our foundation also to be glossy, and it needs to be illuminating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to take this liquid highlighter. You can use any liquid highlighter, आपके पास जो भी आप उसे use कर सकते हैं. I'm just going to add 2 drops of this highlighter to my foundation. And another tip, guys, try not using a matte foundation for this look, because just the sheer glow of your foundation, if your foundation is hydrating, water based, and it is a sheer glow foundation which doesn't become too matte after application, the whole glossy effect is going to come out better.
I'm just going to mix it well. So again, guys, just blend it very gently, just dab it very gently in into your skin.
I'm going to brighten my under eye area, and for that I'm using a neutralizing shade. This is called a neutralizer from the same brand, Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm just going to apply this not too much, but a little under my eyes.
So why didn't I do such interactive videos from the start, guys? Because I didn't have a good mic. In fact, even with my camera, I'm still kind of sorting out, settings and trying to learn and read about how I can make these videos better technically.
To set my base, I'm now gonna use a powder. आप loose powder भी use कर सकते हैं, आपके पास compact है वो भी use कर सकते हो. I'm using a compact today. This is from LA Girl Pro Face. And guys, when you are trying to achieve a glossy look, a glass skin, please make sure कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा powder apply ना कर दो, because that's just gonna mattify your whole face and is gonna defeat the purpose. So it's very important that you set your makeup with the powder, but not too much. So time आ गया है अपने face से थोड़ा weight lose करने का, and obviously for that you need to contour your face. This is one of my favorite steps, guys. I'm going to be using the NYX matte bronzer.
So I had thought that once I have my mic in place, I'll be talking about so many things, but then I also do realize that we have so many videos to do that, and this is just my first video with the mic, so I am going to keep it very limited and not bore you, and see how you guys are liking this kind of videos. And if you do, then we'll start talking about more stuff.
Striking glow comes from a highlighter which is like this. It's by Huda Beauty, and this palette is Golden Sands. Seychelles is one of my favorite shades. To use this highlighter, I'm going to use my same damn beauty blender, and you will see that the effect that we get by using a beauty blender is much greater. It's more natural, since we do not want a very focused highlighting happening on the face, like just on the cheekbones. We want like the whole skin to illuminate. So this beauty blender is going to help us place the highlighter in such a way.
So guys, let me show you how this works. Do you see that? Oof. Some highlighter on the nose.
For the blush, again, I'm not going to use a matte blusher. I am again going to stick to a shimmery blush. And what is better than NARS Orgasm? It's a very highlighted blush, guys. It is very sheer, it has a lot of shine, and I think it's perfect when we're trying to achieve a glossy finish. So it is very important that I apply a makeup fixer now. So by the time my eyes are done and my lipstick is done, the base is looking as natural as possible. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Innisfree Auto Brow Pencil. Guys, if you have been following my videos, you will see that 90% of my videos I use this pencil only.
Expectations versus reality. Literally.
So since we want only our face to do the magic, our skin to glow, and not have too much tamjham on happening on our eyes, and not like a very bright lipstick just to so that takes away all the focus, I'm going to stick to very light shades on my eyes today, and we're actually just going to use two shades. That's going to be like a pink. You can take any pink that you have, and anything lighter than this would also do, and just a gold, any gold that is there in your palette. Just two shades, a pink and a gold. That's it. This gold on my finger, and like I said, it can be any gold that you have, and I don't even need a brush for this. I am just gonna apply it on the center of my lid, and then just blend it with my fingers gently with my crease line. Now I'm going to create a wing liner. If you want, you can actually create, you know, the usual liner as well, or you can actually do a smudge liner, a smoky liner, any kind of liner that you like. But I'm going to stick to a wing liner today. For that, I'm using the Inglot gel liner. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Superfan by Smashbox India, and it is a beautiful mascara, guys. It's also very light. I don't want to use a very heavy duty mascara because I am going to apply falsies. So I'm not going to apply the mascara on my lower lashes right now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to complete my eyes, and actually I could have done this earlier. I'm just going to take the same pink that I had taken before, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. So now I'm going to apply a kajal to my lower mascara, and I'm going to be back after putting my falsies. So guys, my false lashes are on, and now it's just the lipstick that is left. It's a beautiful pink. It's Gulabe by Smashbox Cosmetics, and the longevity of this lipstick is like for hours. You wear that lipstick, you can drink I don't know how many cups of tea or coffee or drinks, and this lipstick will not budge, not even after kissing. I'm going to end this glossy look with a lip gloss. If you like, you can keep your lipstick matte as well. But I thought, why not finish it on a more glossier note. So there you go, guys. That is my version of glossy skin, of dewy skin. And I kept it more on the Indian side today. Since, you know, I had put up a post on Instagram of one of my clients on whom I had done this look, and it was really appreciated, and a lot of my followers out there had requested for this look. So I also kept it on the Indian side. If you've seen, we've not really done a lot of the eyes, just the liner is going to do its job. Glossy lips and lots of highlighter. That's the secret of a glossy skin, a well hydrated skin, some illuminating drops in your foundation, and a good amount of highlighter all over your face. Guys, I hope you liked this video and found it very helpful and informative. You can find me on Instagram by Rashi Sokti Makeup. Again, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, share it with your friends if you like it, and I'm going to be back soon with lots of more content. Till then, keep glowing.